Okay, everybody stand up and ready up to lead us in prayer.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.
Thank you. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
So, how's your morning?
We're fine, Ma'am.
Okay, that's good to hear. So, who is absent, class?
Persian, Ma'am.
Okay. Do you know why they are absent? Okay, inform them that if they are going to absent, they can excuse letter for me to update what is going on to them. Okay, you may now take your seat, class. So let's begin to discuss about the intoxication or the strategies in intoxication. Can anyone give one Miss Samantha? Encourage no alcohol. Okay, very good. What else? Miss Myra? Recognize signs of intoxication. Yes, Miss Laureline.
Time stalling. I develop attractive non-alcoholic beverage.
Okay, very good. What else? Yes, Miss Jane.
Time stalling people.
Okay, these are the strategies in preventing intoxication. Now, I have here a video that you're going to watch. But before that, what are the things you consider when you are watching? Anyone from the class? Yes, Miss Myra. Observe and reflect. Okay, very good. What else, Miss Arjun?
And then you can take them.
Okay, very good. Just watch the video because later on I will ask some questions. Okay. From the video that you watched, what is all about? Anyone? Mr. Daniel.
The videos I watched, I think it is all about serving beverages.
Okay, very good.